For some reason, she is on a mission to organize my fridge and get rid of what I don't need. And so far, pretty sure that's been in there for about a year. Don't know what it is. Pretty sure it was at one point pancake mix. And we're scared to take that foil off of it because it's a miracle that's holding in the steak.
Yeah. Yeah, I think. Ow, my toe.
Oh, Courtney, guess what? That little egg spot.
Yeah. Another rotten potato. Or 2.
Like
Or 3.
4.
Oh, fuck my life. Well, the hamburger's gonna be down there, so.
Well, as long as we don't forget about it under there.
Who would forget about hamburger?
This bitch. I raised my hand, by the way.
She balls. Oh my god, and they're still on the top shelf.
Fantastic, right?
Yes, just joy. But I'm the one who wanted to do this, so I'm bound and determined to get it done.
Well, while I have this recording and everything, I want to see your reaction to drinking that.
Drinking what?
In the door.
These fish eggs?
I mean, tadpole eggs.
Oh. That's worse.
Well, show the camera what it is, like the screen, or the front of it.
Yay!
Okay.
Shit balls. Oh my god. I'm gonna turn into a fucking chia pet. Oh my god!
Wait, let me smell it really quick. Yeah, it's still good.
It's good and it smells like that.
It's cherry lime. What do you expect it?
Okay. Down, I guess, not up. It's gonna come back up.
Hold on, let me get this ready.
Yeah, good idea. Oh my god. I can already feel myself getting, dude.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
Do you understand why I call it tadpole eggs?
It's not a bad one to get past the squishies. Good God. Oh. I think there's one caught in my throat.
Do you see why I call it tadpole eggs?
Yeah.
Hey, my mom makes me drink that straight.
Just seeing Mama Tia, I can already feel myself growing hair.
Hey, my mom forced me to drink
I'm
that.
supposed to be a plant, but I can't grow weeds or leaves or roots, so I'm growing hair. Fuck.
Oh god, I'm scared. Okay, at the top shelf there at the end, on the door.
No more surprises.
No, I'm telling you, throw it away.
Huh?
Top shelf at the end. Yep. Trust me, you don't want to drink that. It's old anyway.
Oh my god! I'll take the Mama Tia over this shit.
I told you it's old.
I don't even fucking care. Ooh. I don't care if you dare me to do it. I'm not taking that dare. Oh.
That's way old, and it tastes like shit.
Oh my god! I'm not gonna lie, that smells like a shitty diaper. I'm not fucking kidding. Man, I need some fucking Febreze up in this bitch.
I'm on it.
All I smell is a shitty diaper.
Ignore the messy apartment.
What? I didn't fart. No, that
No,
was
I said
natural.
ignore
I'm
the
like,
mess.
You go ahead and smell that. I dare you.
No,
For
I'm
real,
good.
I dare you.
I'm good.
I'm sure this would have tasted better than that shit. Oh,
God, that shit is potent.
I just inhaled some more. My God.
Oh my God, that is potent. That's something that you need to just like a one squirt wonder.
Okay.
Oh
Focus.
Okay.
What about this?
Oh, garbage.
Oh, garbage. I fucking love it.
Viewers. Instead of the AM. That's just AM.
Instead of saying, oh God, oh garbage. Fucking hell.
Oh, I dare you to smell that.
Well, I probably will. I kind of don't have a choice when I open it.
While I'm
Put it down the
recording.
toilet. Fuck.
You have no choice now.
Put in, bring it. Shit, I smell this shit right now. Shit, smell.
Right now.
I was kidding.
No,
Not yet.
I'm serious.
Not yet, man. Not yet. Patience is a virtue. They fit
my
so fucking perfect, dude. I love it. My OCD. Sad it has to be a fridge and not my bedroom, but. Yeah, and then you want to go near that fucking thing. I just see it now. We are broadcasting. Did that fucking move?
I moved it.
Don't do that shit. Ow.
If you're lucky, that fucking Febreze will overpower it.
I fucking hope so. I really fucking hope so.
Like I said, I'm amazed that the fridge hasn't ranked so bad.
Mm-hmm. True that.
The things we do at 3 a.m. Oh my God. And Richie's missing out right now. Instead, he's watching Inside Out when he could obviously watch it here.
To the top shelf. I got it. I'm just kidding. Alien pineapple.
Throw that one away. Just throw it. Just throw it.
Smell it.
Oh God.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay, it's not that bad.
Yeah, but it's old.
Oh yeah, it is. She's old.
Reach. Wait, you want me to bring the bench over?
No. Ouch. Wait, this is still good? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Booty, 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 rocking everywhere.
Ooh. Ow! Fuck. I had it for a while. Ow, yeah. Fridge just fucking bit me in.
Everything bites. This is what happens when Courtney practically lives here. But we do make sure we get our space once in a while, otherwise we hate each other.
Right? So I wonder if I should hide that from Richie.
Oh, he said
in the fridge.
The yogurt?
Yeah.
He said that he doesn't like it after all. When I said which one it was, he's like, nope, never mind.
Oh. He agreed with me. Attaboy.
Why don't you make sure that's still good? How bad?
I dare you.
Oh God.
It doesn't stink. It's just holy coffee. Ah.
This mirror's at chunks.
Oh my god!
Let me see it. Hand it over.
I think there's some chunks.
Like, I don't know.
Not gonna lie. Where do you want these?
I think you can kind of see it in there. Kind of chunks.
Yeah.
So that's obviously gotta be bad now. Damn it!
Oh, that's cute! It's cute!
Yeah, it's supposed to help, I think, the bags under your eyes. God, you're scary.
Oh, fat. That feels good though.
Hand me the blue one.
I was just going to do that.
Putting the phone down for a second.
This.
Imagine Richie walking in and we have these. Save.
Okay. Time to think. No.
Smile, Courtney.
What? I don't know who Courtney is. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know who you're talking about. I don't understand. Ah.
Booty.
Yeah, my bad. Ow. Oh, shit balls. Okay. On the count of 3, blah, 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 blah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ow. Oh,
Oh, look, some more of those seeds. Let me see that.
You can have it, that one. Not me. What's... Ew! What is that, Taylor?
Oh my god!
What is that?
Fresh out of the farm milk.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh, I thought that was like some fucking part of something that did not belong there. You hiding something from me? You sure that's milk in there?
Guess what? This is still good. I think. Hold on.
No, I'm not trying it.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, this time.
Yeah, nope, this is bad.
How
Never
is
mind.
this bread?
Well, it looks like it's still good. But of course, it's hard to tell because it's green. So hard to tell if it's because it's green. But,
It looks fine.
um,
For now?
that's the date.
For, oh.
But, I would make you drink this, but I don't want to make you sick.
Oh, no.
Nope.
I'm not taking that one.
Oh my god.
Ow! It's my ankle, man.
Ah! Oh my god.
Ew, Quinny, that's so gross. Oh my god. It just went from nasty looking, like, almost eyeball thing to ew. That's worse. Okay. Oh, fuck me running.
I think those are actually better than the potato that you found in that drawer.
Oh. Is there more?
There's 2 more.
Fucking horror.
Okay, got him.
Ew. Oh my god. I'm surrounded by potatoes.
At least you're right by the garbage. Like I said, those ones are actually not that bad.
You're gonna change your mind about this one. Oh, I'm still dreading that thing so fucking much every time I
You
look
still have
at
to
it.
sniff it.
Not yet. I gotta make sure I'm in a bathroom when I do that.
The garbage is right next to you,
There's a
honey.
toilet and I can flush along with that nasty shit. Take my puke with it.
Just lift up a little bit of the floor.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. How is all these up here?
Should be still
down here.
Should still be good.
Hey, you want that?
Except for that little baggie behind everything on the top.
yeah,
though.
the cheese.
That relish can go.
You don't like relish?
No, that's been sitting in there for a year.
I got to.
Oh Lord.
Oh my god, that smells so fucking good.
You're nasty.
How old is it?
I hate relish. It stinks like none other.
It's just pickles with other stuff in it. I want to find. Oh, that's not it either. Wait.
Is it underneath? On top?
Huh?
It's on the side of the lid.
No.
That's not it? On the side of the lid?
That's what I thought. It says 2362731.
The fuck?
2045. What?
I swear I heard something move behind me.
Taylor!
Oh my god, I don't know what it was. I'm scared. I'm sitting up here.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
No, for real though, I can't find the date on this. But it smells amazing!
Well, then you can keep it. God, you're disgusting.
It's like the greatest.
Excuse me.
Ow! Fuck!
Are you serious right now?
I don't have my glasses on, so.
Good excuse.
Well, they're right there. Ew, it's starting to turn green.
You touched a potato.
Huh? Potato. This is almost gone. Like, it's probably like right there.
Just toss it.
Well, don't you do that.
You're having way too much fun, honey.
Oh, yeah. Boy, you gotta make it interesting somehow. Oh! Oh my god! Did you see that?
Mm-mm. Is that the blue cheese?
Yeah.
That was Chris's.
No wonder why. I'm not
It's
even
sad
gonna
that
begin
fridge-
to smell that shit.
That's sad that everything that we've thrown
But
away.
this was in there too, from him.
No, I've had that actually.
Okay, because I've used it, so. Yeah. We fuck balls. Okay. This is starting to get warm now, so I'm gonna have to put it back in
You're gonna have to close that thing pretty
the
soon.
fridge. What?
The fridge?
I know. I'm almost done. Did you, oh yeah, garbage. No, my god, I feel terrible. Lord help me fucking right now. Just strike me with lightning right now, so I don't have to do it. I felt like a ballerina for the longest time.
The fuck?
It was such a pretty masquerade mask. Haha.
Could have worn these to Skip's party.
Right? I mean, at least we would have been cool. Get it? Our faces would have been cool, and we would have been cool.
Get ready.
I hate you. I despise you. Never eating cantaloupe again. We're gonna look at the brain the right way again.
The thing is, that's not obviously not cantaloupe, but just for some reason makes her think of cantaloupe.
Right, what are you doing?
The whole jar is going.
Thank you. Oh my god, damn. Oops, sorry, Tori. Sorry, Mandy. Gone. Goodbye. smell like cheese. I'm just kidding. I know you want some milk and so now, please. It has come down to the last round. The thing that's gonna send me straight to the fucking mortuary. Go to the bathroom. Oh my god. I get the smell right now. You will come to your death. My last words are, suck, Taylor. Just kidding, I love you.
Yeah, just remember, this is just a dare.
So I gotta get my nose all bleeding and shit
hold
too?
on, we need to get your hair up somehow. So you don't puke on.
Do I need to seriously like,
Here, hold this. Oh, okay.
But I forgot about it. Do I need to like put my nose all up in it and shit too?
No, you just gotta get one hell of a whiff. Look at that scrumptious.
I double dare you.
I already puked. It's your turn. And that is hair dye, people. Don't worry, she wasn't abused.
Okay, back up.
I need to be able to have a good view.
I'm already dreading it now. Score!
How bad
Not
is
as
it?
bad as I thought it would be.
What does it smell like?
I don't think you want to know. Not unless you smell it yourself.
No, I already puked today.
Okay, I'm gonna do this again just because I got balls somewhere. Just don't
Right
know
on your
where.
chest, honey.
Alright, so yeah,
Describe the smell.
it kind of smells a little bit like rotten eggs. Just a tad bit. Stinky, nasty, ugly feet. For one. Which I
Lift
hate
up the
feet.
seat when you toss it.
And and there's the mold. Oh my god. Oh my god, this smell just got worse.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! To top it all off! Oh, and it's still going. Oh my god. Gotta plug my nose. For real. The smell got worse, dude. Wait. I got this. Forget it. My balls came back. Oh my god! I'm not eating mashed potatoes anytime soon either. Hell to the motherfucking no.
Flushing.
Wait. Oh, hot damn! Fucking Richie's gonna come in here and have to pee and he's gonna be like,
Quick,
Who the
before you
fuck
do
took
puke.
this shit?
This shit makes her puke like none other. But I'm leaving that fan on.
just for that shit, I'm going to Amber's. I'll be back. You know why.
Say bye, Courtney.
Bye-bye.